It's been a rough week. And the answer to your question is no. And I feel like you're feeling wounded because you didn't get your own way. I feel like it's telling you it might be time to tend to your needs instead of worrying about what you want. Maybe you've been too ambitious. Maybe you want something so badly. You're not thinking about the consequences. Maybe you should just pat me a little bit more. Maybe we should sit quietly and think. It's time to think about your higher self. Let out that divine feminine. I know you have it in you. You know what I mean. That intuitive side. Go slowly instead of fast. Be soft instead of hard. Be passive instead of active. And howl at the moon instead of worshiping the sun. Well, I'm going to lick myself, then have a sleep. Just remember to always stay positive, because I am always with you.